Most people do not run out of Claude messages because the free plan is useless. They run out because they use Claude the wrong way. If you are trying to use Claude AI for free and actually get useful results, there is one simple shift that makes the free version go much further. And near the end, I'll give you a prompt structure you can copy so you do not waste your free messages. If you have tried Claude, hit the message limit, and figured the free version was not built for you, stay with me for 2 minutes. The issue usually is not the free plan. The issue is that most people use Claude the same way they would text a friend, short, vague, and back and forth. That burns through messages quickly. Claude works better when you give it one clear request up front. Here is the simple way to do it. Step 1. Go to Claude.ai and start with the free option. You do not need to start with a paid plan to learn how it works. Step 2. Before you ask for anything, give Claude one sentence of context. For example, I am a project manager trying to write a client status update. That gives Claude the situation before it starts answering. Step 3. Ask one specific question. Do not just type, "Help me with email." Try this instead. Write a 3-sentence follow-up email to a client who has not responded in a week. Keep it polite and professional. That is the whole method. Context first, specific request second. One good prompt can get you a useful answer without wasting your free messages. Most beginners hit the limit because they use 5 or 10 short messages to explain what they could have said clearly in one detailed prompt. The free version can still help with drafting emails, summarizing notes, organizing ideas, and thinking through decisions, but it works best when you give it the right starting point. Here is the simple structure to remember. I am trying to goal. Here is the situation. Context. Please give me specific output in format. Claude is not unlimited, but you can make the free version go much further by asking better questions the first time. If you want to go deeper, watch my video on AI prompts next, because that skill works in Claude, ChatGPT, and almost every AI tool. For more educational and entertaining videos on AI, follow HowYouAI for practical AI for work and life.